Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I am going to show you how to reformat and beautify listed names. Friends, as you can see, here I have some names of people and names of some clubs, but the names are written in a very peculiar fashion. Ideally, each of the words should start with a capital letter and there should not be any unnecessary spacing between two words, and there are some capital letters inside the words also. So if we want to rectify all these things, it will take a lot of time. Here of course we have only few names, but we may have a data set where there are hundreds of names. So what I am going to do is I am going to write a small BBA code and then in one click I am going to rectify all of them. So for that we press F Alt F11 to open the VBA editor, and then in this editor we write this code. I can show you what I have written. I use my magnifier, and so this is the code. I think you can read it. So name of the subprogram is trim prop. Okay, you can give any other name, and then for each C in selection, C dot value equal to worksheet function trim within bracket worksheet function dot proper, then bracket C dot value, then bracket closed, then next, and then end of subprogram. That's it. So after that what we do, we remove this magnifier, uh, and then we can close it also and go to our original file, and here we open the insert button and insert a shape here, somewhere here, and you can make it little smaller like this, and assign a macro. Our program name is trim prop. So you click OK. So our this thing is ready. Okay, you can give some name also to this. We call it say beautify. Okay, oh sorry, what I have written. Uh, I think my caps lock is pressed actually. So it is BEAUTIFY. Oh god, I'm completely messing it. Okay. Finally, yeah, at last. So we can pull it somewhere here and place it like this. Okay. Now, what we do, we select one or all the items at a time also. First I select one of them and let's see what is the effect, and click on this beautify, and you see this Rohit Sharma is now nicely written. Okay. Next I select, okay, I can select all of them, no problem, even if Rohit Sharma is already corrected, but let me select all of them. And now we click this and you see all of them are corrected in one go. Okay. So that's it in this video. Hope you have enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.